We often look at Mars or the Moon and think they are harsh environments, but compared to the rest of the universe, they are paradises. Across the cosmos, there are worlds that seem to have been designed by a cosmic horror writer. Planets where physics breaks down and weather becomes a weapon. Today, we leave the safety of Earth to explore the most terrifying planets ever discovered. Fasten your seatbelts. These are the worlds you pray never to visit. Our first stop is HD 189,733b. At first glance, it looks like a beautiful deep blue marble, much like Earth. But don't let the color fool you. That blue isn't from water. It's from silicate particles in the atmosphere. The weather here, it rains molten glass, and because of the 7,000 km/h winds, this glass doesn't fall down. It rains sideways. To be caught in a storm here is to be shredded by millions of shards of flying glass in a split second. Next, we move to the darkest world ever found, TRES 2b. This planet reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it, making it darker than coal or black acrylic paint. If you were standing in its orbit, it would look like a giant ball of nothingness. But it's not cold. The planet glows with a faint, angry red hue, like the coil of an electric stove, because its temperature exceeds 1,000 degrees Celsius. It is a world of darkness and fire, a true cosmic hell. Imagine a planet twice the size of Earth, where the ground beneath your feet is made of solid diamond. Sounds like a dream. Think again. 55 Cancri E is so close to its star that its surface is a constant ocean of flowing lava. The pressure is so extreme that the carbon inside the planet is squeezed into diamond. But the heat is so intense that the atmosphere is literally made of vaporized rock. It rains lava, and the ground is a burning crystalline cage. Finally, we reach K2 141b. On this planet, the ocean is made of lava, and the rocks evaporate into the sky. The evaporated rock then falls back down as rock rain on the cold side of the planet. It is a cycle of fire and stone that has been repeating for billions of years. Even the mountains aren't permanent, constantly melting and reforming in a violent cycle of geological madness. The universe is not always a friendly place. For every Earth, there are thousands of these hellish worlds. They remind us how fragile our existence is and how lucky we are to have a home that doesn't try to kill us every single second. Which of these planets terrified you the most? Let us know in the comments, and as always, keep looking up, but be glad you're looking from here.